tech-savvy boomers. Welcome back to the Boomers Tech Show, where I teach boomers every week how to use tech to make their lives just a little easier. Hi, I'm Bertrand. Today, we're diving into the fundamental aspects of your iPhone experience, the quick action menu. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is a quick action menu? Well, buckle up, because we are about to unravel the magic behind these time-saving menus that can make your digital life even easier. So what is a quick action menu? Well, think of it as a shortcut hub that opens up with just a single tap on your iPhone. It's like a secret doorway to a range of functions within your favorite apps. Instead of navigating through multiple screens, you can access key features or perform specific actions right from the app icon. It's all about simplifying your interactions, saving time, and making your iPhone experience more intuitive. Now, let's explore these quick action menus for various apps that can truly enhance your daily tech adventures. First up, let's talk about messages. What you want to do is take your finger and hold down on your message icon, and you'll notice that a list will pop up. Now, on this list, you can type in a new message, you can tap to a specific individual, or you can even edit the home screen, all with a simple tap. You need to make a phone call? A single tap on a contact can open up a quick menu for direct calling. And don't forget, tapping and holding the iPhone apps give you easy access to several things. Watch this. Just tap and hold. You can view most recent calls. You can search for contacts. You can create a new contact. You can view most recent voicemail, or you can edit the home screen, all with a single tap. Capture memories with ease. A single tap on the camera apps reveal options for several things that you can do. For example, tap. You can do a selfie, you can do a video, you can do a portrait or portrait with selfie. And then of course you can always edit the home screen. Stay punctual effortlessly. A single tap on the clock app opens up a quick menu for several settings. Let's see which ones you can do. Go to the clock app, tap. You can start a timer, you can start a stopwatch, you can create an alarm. To do it, you simply tap on it and then carry your actions. Stay organized with a single tap. Open your quick menu in the calendar app to do several things. So we go to the calendar app, tap on it. We can add an event by tapping on it, and then choose which event you want to add. Are you curious about the weather? A single tap on a weather app opens up a quick menu for forecasts and adding locations. Again, you just simply tap on your weather app and you'll notice the box will come up and you can add a location, you can check various locations that you have already added. Exploring the web made easy. A simple tap on Safari opens up a quick menu for several things. For example, if we go and we find our Safari, tap on it, you'll notice that you can have a new tab, you can do a new private tab, you can show bookmarks, you can show a reading list, or you can edit the home screen. Jot down your notes with ease. A simple tap on the Notes apps reveals several options as well. For example, if you tap on the Note app, you'll notice that you can create a new note, you can do a new checklist, a new photo, you can scan documents. So if I want a new note, I simply tap on it and then start to create my note. If you want to explore the world of apps with ease, again, a simple tap on the app icon and it will give you several options. For example, you can see what you have purchased, you can do updates, you can redeem, or you can even search, all with a single tap and not having to open up or go through several app processes. So now if you want to dive into the world of podcasts, a simple tap on a podcast app will give you a quick menu also. For example, tap on a podcast. You can search or you can check for new episodes by simply tapping on and going through and checking. Now say you want to relive memories in a snap. A single tap on a photo app opens up a quick menu for a host of actions that you can perform. So we tap on the photo app. You can go to your most recent, you can go to your favorites, you can go to a year ago, or you can even do search. So if I go to favorites, you're going to see a list of favorites that will come up. And there you have it, tech-savvy scenes, quick action menus, the hidden gems that make your iPhone experience smoother and more efficient. We hope this episode has shed light on the magic behind those single taps. Stay tuned to the Baby Boomers Tech Show for more insightful tech tips. Until next time, happy exploring and happy tapping. Now, if you enjoyed this video, you might enjoy this one here because it really goes into another aspect that's going to make your iPhone experience just a little better.